From my experience, there's 3 common mistakes that kill the reliability of a 4-stroke dirt bike. So if you want your 4-stroke to last longer, hopefully you aren't doing any of these 3. And if you are, don't worry, they're really common mistakes, so pay attention. Because I want you to keep riding your bike without having an unnecessary engine failure. Mistake number 1, I think we've all done it because it sounds really cool, and that is the rev limiter. So you start the bike up, whether you're in neutral or you're in gear, you hold the throttle wide open, hitting that rev limiter is really cool, but that's not what your engine thinks. It's screaming, help me, help me. If you're constantly on the rev limiter, like once every minute, you're doing a lot more unnecessary damage to your engine. But you might be thinking, well, Kelly, that rev limiter is there for a reason, so you don't damage your engine. Right, I would agree with you, but that doesn't mean it's good on the engine. Think about it like this. Let's say the rev limiter is 13,000 RPM on this. The engine is spinning at 13,000 RPM, whereas if you're riding at like 9,000 RPM, the engine is spinning 30% slower. In theory, that could make your engine last 30% longer. And in reality, it's probably gonna make it last even longer because it's doing less wear and tear on the engine. Killer mistake number 2 on your 4-stroke reliability is the air filter. It's easy to ignore because you don't really see it under the seat or behind the side panel. If you don't pay attention to your air filter, if you never change it or don't change it until it starts running really rich because it's clogged up, well, you might be sucking in a lot more dirt and mud and debris than your engine can stand. Dirt is one of the biggest enemies of a 4-stroke engine, specifically the valves, the piston, and the rings. All that dirt getting sucked in is just causing more friction and wear on those valves. And that's what eats them up so quickly. So if you're never changing your air filter or waiting until it's so clogged up that it runs poorly, you're killing the reliability of your 4-stroke. I know it seems like a chore to take it out, clean it, and change it, but would you rather spend 15 minutes doing that? Or would you rather spend $1,000 or more on an engine rebuild every single year, depending on how often you ride? Killer mistake number 3 is lean jetting. Now, if you have a fuel-injected bike and the bike is all stock, this isn't likely to happen unless you're under extreme climate conditions, like the weather is really cold outside and it's not compensating for that. But if you have a carburetor and you're riding aggressively, high RPM, and the carb is tuned too lean, or perhaps you're not using the right fuel for the jetting, it's a lot more likely to cause detonation and overheat the engine a lot faster. It could cause a hole to start in the top of the piston, it could cause the piston to crack, or it can just cause more heat on the valves. And heat is the biggest enemy of the engine because that's going to wear it out faster. So if you want your 4-stroke dirt bike to last at least twice as long, you should check out this video here for 3 simple tips. I'm Kelly Fagan from MXHideout. Stay reliable, ride longer, spend less money. Don't be lazy, don't be a show-off. This takes a little bit of work, but you can save a lot of money, unless you prefer to spend more money and work on your bike a lot more. I don't.